Hey, what's up? If you're new here, I'm Mykia and welcome to my channel. On my channel, you can find a variety of content such as reviews and hauls, millennial home ownership vlogs, and just a whole lot. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe and stick around and just stay tuned. Looking at these slides for a while. I want to say maybe like a year or 2 years back, Heather Sanders posted a picture on Instagram and I was like, I gotta have those slides. Like, those slides are literally everything. Those are life. So ever since then I've just been, you know, looking for them and I never could find my size. So one night I was just up, I was in the bed, and something just said go on Gucci. I went on the website and they only had a select few sizes that you can choose from. And my size was one of the ones that I could purchase. However, the shoes were on back order. So I ordered these back in June. And they said that they would be delivered on or around August 30th. And if you know me, August 30th is my birthday. So I was like, that's perfect. Like, I need a birthday gift for myself. Who doesn't want to buy themselves a nice birthday gift? So I went ahead and I checked out, and I want to say the shoes came on August the 25th. Yeah, the shoes came August the 25th. So they didn't charge my car until the shoes were about to ship. I finally got my hands on some, so I'm going to do an unboxing just to show you how they fit, the sizing, and everything that you need to know just in case you're looking to purchase. Before we even get too deep into the video, if you're like me, you are looking to purchase these shoes and you're looking at reviews trying to figure out about the sizing. So before we even go too deep into the video, I am a US 8.5. I'm like a true US 8.5. And in these shoes I got a 38.5. So this is the box that they came in. It's a huge box, literally so big. And inside at the top it does say Gucci. So the box is filled with just paper on the inside, and the shoes were in this Gucci bag. Straight out of the Gucci bag, it had a nice bow wrapped around the box. So this is just the box. It has the labeling there. I got a 38.5. On here it reads 38 plus. Now, upon opening the box, you just have a dust bag. And this one actually comes with 2 dust bags, one for each shoe. So I love when they do that. As soon as I open the box, it does have a return shipping label and return instructions. And then it has the Gucci cards. Each shoe is individually wrapped. And these are the shoes fresh out the box. They are so freaking cute. I've actually worn these before. I literally wore them. I told y'all my birthday was coming up, so I wore them that week of my birthday. They were so cute. I'll insert a picture of how I wore them. So let me go ahead and give y'all a 360 view. So yeah, like sometimes I can do 8, most times an 8.5. I'm like an 8.5, a solid 8.5. So I was like, should I go 39? In my designer sneakers, I usually go 39. I want to say I have the Gucci flip-flops. I do have the Gucci pool slides, and I have those in a 39. So, and they fit me perfect. So yeah, my Gucci pool slides are 39. I got these in a 38.5. I honestly got these in a 38.5 because that's what was available. That's sad to say, but that's what was available. I told y'all I've been looking at these shoes for a while, so when I saw 38.5, I'm like, I'm gonna be able to fit that. And I'm glad that I did get a 38.5, because if you're like me, my foot is very narrow. Like, my foot is kind of skinnier. You know how some people have like wide feet? So width on shoes is usually my issue. It's not the length. I usually can hit dead on with the length, but the width is usually the problem. But with these, I'm glad I did 38. The length is cutting it close, but the width is perfect. I love these freaking shoes. They are so cute. You can style them with jeans. You can style them with shorts, with a jean skirt, with a dress. You can do so much things with these. I love the platform look. It's so like vintage. It's giving me like 90s vibes. I just love it. And if you're like me, I'm short. I'm only 5'2". So it gave me a little boost, you know, like a little height. This definitely was a great purchase. I would recommend these 100%. They are a little bit heavy on your foot. Like, I feel like I'm like, you know, stomping down the house. But it isn't any like noise when I walk. But I do feel like I'm like lifting my feet up to walk in them. What did I just say? To walk in them. So yeah, I told y'all, I think I told y'all everything. I got 38.5. I'm a true US 8.5. I feel like lengthwise, I'm cutting it close, being a true US 8.5, going with the 38.5. But widthwise, for the size of my foot, it's perfect. I purchased these from the Gucci website, Gucci.com. They were $5.95. After taxes, they were $6.30. I know that's steep. That's really steep. But it was a birthday gift to myself. Again, they were on back order, so I ordered them in June and I received them in August. When I did order, it did say that. And yeah, I think that's about it. I will insert some pictures of me wearing the shoes because I have worn them like 2 times thus far. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Even if you ain't like it, you watched it all the way to here. So please just hit the like button. Leave me some comments. Share the video. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.